Good afternoon, students. Hope you all are doing well. How are you? Hope you all are fine and stay safe. Uh, Today we have a further revision of chapter number 4. Yesterday we have done chapter number 3, that is computer virus. All the students sent me the homework. If any child didn't send homework yet, then please send as soon as possible. Now we start our chapter number 4, ethics and safety measure in computing. ठीक है, ethics and safety measure in computing. In this chapter we will revise about that internet advantages, disadvantages, intellectual property rights, firewall and digital footprint. Okay, now we start our question number 1. Write down on your notebook questions. Question number 1. Question number 1. Define the following. Software piracy. What do you mean by software piracy, class? Yes. What do you mean by software piracy? Yes. The user need to purchase it and become its licensed user. The user has the right to use one single computer. However, it is illegal to make copies of it and run it on other computers. Okay. Mainly the definition of software is software piracy is an act of making and distributing copies of software without buying and required license or copyright. मैंने आपको क्लास वर्क में दिया था ये क्वेश्चन, होमवर्क भी दिया था, तो यू कैन रेफर फ्रॉम क्लास वर्क एज वेल एज होमवर्क नोटबुक. Second one is spam. Simple. Unwanted mail is ghost in spam. Simple. Unwanted mails goes in spam. Unwanted mails is known as a spam. Now, what do you mean by hacking? Yes, class. What do you mean by hacking? Hacking or cracker both are different thing. Okay, hacking and cracker both are different thing. Cracker is the unauthorized access to computer system to harming the data. ठीक है, but hacking, when we have intentionally hack someone system or computer. The definition of hacking is the word hacking can be defined as unauthorized use of computer and network resources not with the intent of harming data. The people who are involving in the activity are called hackers. Okay, the people who are involved in the activity are called hacker. From page number 67 you can done this point 1 2 3 4 5 6 point. The word hacking can be defined unauthorized use of computer and network resources not with the intent of harming data. The people who are involved in the activity are called hackers. Okay, now is your digital footprint. Write down the next question. Digital footprint. Digital footprint is the trail of data showing activities performed by the user on the internet on an electronic device. ठीक है, digital footprint is a mean, it is a trail of data showing activities performed by the user on the internet. Performed by the user mean on the internet. Whatever we have activity performed in our internet by the user, that means that it is a digital footprint. You will save something on your computer, that is not a digital footprint. Whatever you perform the activity on the internet, on your computer, on any other devices, your activity performed on devices with the help of internet, it means that it is a digital footprint. Whatever activities you have done with the help of internet, it means it is a digital footprint. Okay, you saved something, you make a document and save on your computer, it is not a digital footprint. Okay, you make any document with the help of internet, the activity performed is known as a digital footprint. Now next is question number 6. Question number 2. Why people spread viruses? Why people spread viruses? This is your homework question. People spread viruses. This is a previous chapter question from feedback. Write down on your homework notebook why people spread. Answer. Write down the answer on your homework notebook. Now write the question on the classwork notebook. Why people spread viruses? People spread viruses intentionally because they harming your system, you're harming your website, cracking the personal information. Okay, what are the advantages of using the internet? What are the different advantages using the internet? We know that the internet is a global system of interconnected computer networks. But what are the advantages of internet? What are the main advantages of computer network or internet? We know that there are the some advantages and disadvantages of the internet from book page number 61. There are the advantages of internet. It helps us to performing the various tasks, online shopping, booking tickets, paying bills. Okay? You can write the answer by on. For example, it gives a big platform for people to market their products and run their business. Okay. Next, you also write that it entertain us in our leisure time and keep us busy. It provide online storage facility to users. It has enabled people to learn and gain knowledge about any topic of their desire and browsing internet or by online courses. Uh, it also help to find the output of any programming skills. Next is question number 4. What do you understand by intellectual property rights? What do you understand by intellectual property rights? What do you understand by intellectual property right? Mainly remember, intellectual property right means, I write down the crux, means ownership of ideas. Ownership of ideas means they are they are legal rights of various creators for the work created by them. Main, it is the ownership of ideas. Next, they are legally right of various creators for the work created by them. Now write down the next question. What is the name when program may corrupt the files, documents in your computer? What is the name when a program may program corrupt or the files, document corrupt हो जाती है, तो what is the name? It is a virus. It is advised to have a dash software to protect system from virus. कौन सा सॉफ्टवेयर एडवाइस करते हैं कि हमें वायरस से प्रोटेक्ट करता है? It is a antivirus software. Yes. What are the different way to stop spams? कौन से डिफरेंट वेज हैं जिससे हम स्पैम को स्टॉप कर सकते हैं? There are the number of different ways to stop a spam. Firstly, the title of this message, most of the spam contain the commercial advertisement and inconvenient product, but we can avoiding reading unwanted emails, detailing them mails. Okay, number of spam folders. Mention at least 5 ethical values related to use of computer. Ethical values related to our computer. These reference from book page number 65. Okay. Avoid posting your personal information on site where it can be accessed easily by other. Add only those people on social networking site who are known to you. Okay. Protect and secure your social media and other accounts. There are the various features available that allow you to secure your account. These are the explain how firewall protect a computer system. कैसे firewall जो है वो protect करती है computer system पे. Explain firewall protect a computer system. We know that firewall is a private network. So we can create a strong password. Okay. Firewall normally defined as the network security device that allow or reject network access between the untrusted zone, such as the internet, and the trusted zone is a private network. Okay, they are working on the both networks. Now we have the assertion reason based question. Assertion: it is important to keep the computer and other digital systems safe and can be exposed to hacking. कहते ये इम्पॉर्टेंट है कि हमें जो कंप्यूटर है उसको डिजिटल सिस्टम पे सेफ रखना चाहिए और उसको एक्सपोर्ट करना चाहिए. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट उसके बाद उन्होंने बोला क्रैकर हैक कंप्यूटर रिसोर्सेज विद द इंटेंशन ऑफ कॉजिंग मलिशियस डैमेज. यस, डिजिटल सिस्टम जो है हमें सेफ तभी रख सकते हैं जब उसको एक्सपोर्ट ना करें. हम चीज़ों को क्रैकर जो है वो हैक करते हैं कंप्यूटर रिसोर्स को इंटेंशनली ताकि वो हार्मफुल डैमेज कर सकें, मलेशियस डैमेज कर सकें. द आंसर इज both assertion and reason are true and are is the correct explanation of A. Both A and R are true and R is a correct explanation of A. Next we have the full form. www, we know that World Wide and Web. Virus, we know that Vital. ये आपको मैंने पहले भी करवाई हुई है तो ये आप खुद करोगे. ठीक है. ईमेल आपको पता है पहले भी करवाई है. ईमेल इज इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मेल. email stands for electronic mail and virus V stand for vital. V stand for vital, then information resources under seas. Vital information resources under seas. SIEGE. Email means E का मतलब होता है electronic. Whatever we have the full form of e-commerce, email. So E stand for electronic, M means mail. MEIL. Next name the following. Section A. It is a set of moral values which regulate the use of computer. It is a set of moral values which regulate the base of computer. Homework question. Name of the following. ये आपका homework है. Next, which is an illegal act to obtain the friendly sensitive information? Which is an illegal act to obtain friendly sensitive information? Next, dash property means ownership of ideas. ये मैंने अभी आपको करवाया है. Dash property means ownership of ideas. Name any two types of virus. Name any two type of virus. Name any two type of antivirus. Virus and antivirus both are the different thing. Virus has different identity. Antivirus has a different identity. Next case study based question from page number 68. Open your book and page number 68. Page number 70. Case study based question. Computer ethics signify the acceptance of moral standard which regulate the use of computer and the internet. जो कंप्यूटर एथिक्स है वो एक्सेप्ट करता है मोरल स्टैंडर्ड को, उसका मतलब होता है वो यूज़र को रेगुलेट करता है कंप्यूटर में इंटरनेट यूज़ करने में। अनफॉर्चुनेटली अनएथिकल प्रैक्टिस आर प्रिवेंट इन द सोसाइटी, लेकिन ये जो अनएथिकल प्रैक्टिस है ये प्रिवेंट हो चुकी है सोसाइटी में रिलेटेड टू द यूज़ ऑफ इंटरनेट। सम ऑफ द अनएथिकल प्रैक्टिस आर मेंशन। वो अनएथिकल प्रैक्टिस आपको दी है, जैसे मेकिंग अ डुप्लीकेट कॉपी ऑफ एन ओरिजिनल फाइल, इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? मेकिंग अ डुप्लीकेट कॉपी। राइट डाउन ऑन योर नोटबुक। Write down the question on your notebook. Making duplicate copy. Case study based question. First है making a duplicate copy of an original software. The answer is software piracy. Next question is gaining unauthorized access to network resources. Unauthorized means hacking. Third one, copying from other creator and presenting its own product. जब हम किसी की प्रोडक्ट की कॉपी कर लेते हैं, उसको प्रिवेंट करते हैं कि ये चीज़ हमारी है, उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? प्लेजरिज्म. नेक्स्ट इज सेंडिंग अट्रैक्टिव ईमेल एंड कंपेलिंग द रिसीवर टू रीड देम. जो अट्रैक्टिव ईमेल्स होती हैं और कंपेल किया जाता है उसको रिसीवर को कि इसको रीड किया जाए, तो अनवांटेड मेल्स जो हैं उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? स्पैम. ओके. Next is your intellectual property right. Define the ownership of their ideas. Which tool provide the ownership? Trademark, ownership, copyright. Intellectual property rights define the ownership rights given to the people concerned, such as artists, scholar, inventor, etc., who use their skill and mental ability in their creation. Trademark, patent, and copyright are some tools for the protecting intellectual property right. उन्होंने बोला इंटेलेक्चुअल प्रॉपर्टी राइट जो है वो वैसे मेनली ओनरशिप राइट्स होते हैं पीपल के, जैसे जो आर्टिस्ट होते हैं, स्कॉलर्स होते हैं, इन्वेंटर्स होते हैं, उनके जो इसको यूज़ करते हैं स्किल्स को मेंटल एबिलिटी के साथ क्रिएट करते हैं. ठीक है, जैसे ट्रेडमार्क, पेटेंट, कॉपीराइट सम ऑफ द टूल्स हैं जो इंटेलेक्चुअल प्रॉपर्टी राइट में आते हैं. अब नीचे उन्होंने आपको क्वेश्चन दिए, इनमें से कौन सी ऐसी चीज़ है जो इन सभी में आती है, जैसे ट्रेडमार्क, पेटेंट एंड कॉपीराइट. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन वी हैव विच टूल प्रोवाइड द प्रोटेक्शन टू ओनरशिप? ट्रेडमार्क, ओनरशिप और कॉपीराइट. मैंने मार्क किया हुआ है कॉपीराइट. Which protection tool does not allow to make, use, distribute, import, sell and create commercially? It's a patent. Which protected tool is the symbol used on the product of a company which can't be used another company? It is a trademark. What is the term given to the ownership of an original creation? It is intellectual property right. Now our feedback questions. Now our feedback questions. Write down on your notebook. Which of the following stops unwanted traffic on the internet? इनमें से कौन सी ऐसी चीज़ है जो स्टॉप कर देता है अनवांटेड, जो चीज़ें नहीं चाहिए होती उस ट्रैफिक को स्टॉप कर देता है इंटरनेट में? रेनफोर्स, फायरवॉल, फिशिंग या प्रोटेक्टर? यस, इट इज़ अ फायरवॉल. Firewall helps to stop the unwanted traffic on internet. Next is which of the following does not represent unauthorized access to computer or network resources? It's a sharing, phishing, hacking और bullying. Which of the following does not represent? इनमें से कौन सी चीज़ है जो रिप्रेजेंट नहीं करती कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क और रिसोर्सिंग में? शेयरिंग. ठीक है, ये रिप्रेजेंट नहीं करती अनऑथोराइज्ड में. फिशिंग भी करती है, हैकिंग भी करती है. बुलिंग मीन्स वी कैन हर्ट समवन विद अग्रेसिव बिहेवियर. ओके. Next, which of the following is an unethical practice? इनमें से unethical practice कौन सी है? Protecting password, using original software, hacking or passing encrypted message. Which of the following is an unethical practice? Yes, it's a hacking. Next, which of the following is concerned with the digital footprint? We know that the digital footprint means whatever we have related the activity means not. Which of the following is not? Not means listening to songs. Last one is which of the following is the intellectual property right? Intellectual property right means copyright. Okay, now your homework is revise chapter number 4, ethics and safety measure in computing, plus learn classwork question answers. Okay, revise chapter number 4, ethics and safety measure in computing, plus learn classwork question answers. Thank you, class.